Is your refrigerator running?
Well, you better go and catch it.
Hello, thank you for calling McDonald's. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can
Yes?
you hear me?
Yes?
I have a question.
Yes?
Is your refrigerator running?
Oh my God, get a life.
She's like, oh my God, get a life.
Thank you for calling McDonald's. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a question.
Yes, how can I help you?
Is your refrigerator running?
Yes, and I know I got my refrigerator. Thank you very much for pranking, and we're reporting all numbers that's pranking, and your number will be reported with it. Thank you. Have a nice night.
Alrighty, thank you.
Oh. Hi, can
Hello?
I speak to a manager, please?
Yes, how can I help you?
All right, I have a really serious question for you. You might have to sit down for this.
I'm
Is
sorry?
your refrigerator running?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Is your refrigerator running?
What is the question?
Is your refrigerator running?
Give me 1 second.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi. Are you a manager?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. I have a pretty serious question I need to ask a manager.
Okay.
You might have to sit down for this. Hello?
Oh, I think they hung up.
Man, I was right in there too, huh?
Yeah, you were.
McDonald, how can I help you?
Hello, may I speak to a manager?
Yes, I'm the manager.
You are the manager?
Yes.
All right,
Okay.
I have a
Just give me
serious
1 second.
question.
Just give me one second, please. Sorry. Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, I have a serious question here, and I've been contemplating on calling you guys and asking. But is your refrigerator running?
Yes.
Yep. Well, you better go and catch it.
Oh my God! Does someone really not know that joke, man? In 2016, I'm surprised someone actually fell for it.
I guess so. Jeez, I almost forgot the punchline for a second there.
I know, dude. I'm like,
Someone
wait, what do you say next?
Independent McDonald's.
Hi, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
It's running fine?
Yeah.
Well, you better go and catch it.
Dude, did they hang up right as you said that?
I have no idea. No, he heard it. Get ready, kiddos. This one's gonna hit the history books.
McDonald's, can I help you?
Are you my dad,
Yes. Yes, I am.
Frank?
You got it.
Dad. I love you, Dad.
Okay, I gotta go. Bye.
All right, bye.
What? What did you think of that?
That was so good. Oh my God, that was hilarious.
What did you think of that?
What?
How did you think of that? Like why?
Sometimes
Like,
you just
saying
gotta.
dad.
Sometimes you just gotta go with it, you know. And apparently, I have a dad named Frank now. Who knew?
Frank. Dad. Dad.
Oh, that was a good
Dad.
call, man.
Senator McDonald's, this is Nicole. Thank you. Sorry about that.
Hello. May I speak
Hello?
to a manager?
This
Hello.
is Chi. What can I do
May
for
I speak
you?
to- Alrighty. Hey, I had a quick question.
Of course.
Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Well, you better go and catch it.
You have anything better to do?
No, I do not. Okay then. They hung up right as they answered.
Okay. Yeah, some people don't care. They just don't care. They don't get paid enough to talk on the phone. You know. In their mind, I'm not dealing with this thinking.
I wonder how many prank calls they actually get.
Hello, McDonald's.
Hello. May I speak to a manager?
This is one of them. What can I get for you tonight?
This is one of them. Alrighty, I have a real quick question here.
Okay.
Is your refrigerator running? I was ready.
Seconds.
McDonald's, David speaking.
Hi, can I speak to a manager, please?
This is one.
Okay, hey, I have a real quick question for you, if you have
Okay.
a second.
Yeah.
Is your refrigerator running?
I could check it if you
Hello?
want.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, okay. I'll do that. Anything else I can do for you?
No, that'll be everything. If you can just
All right,
let me know
thank
what the answer is.
Bye.
No, but what do you say? What do you say? No, but I could check it for you?
Yes, he did. That is what he said. He was like, yes.
I don't know.
Or he said, I don't know, but I could check it for you.